This is an effective natural hair protein hair mask. Let me show you all how I made this using avocado. So you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and also turn on your post notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, I'll be making this hair protein treatment using one avocado, as you can see in the video. This avocado is rich in protein, which encourages hair growth and also strengthens your hair strand, thereby reducing breakage and also keeping them strong and healthy. I'm going to be using a spoon to scoop the avocado into a plate, as you can see in the video. So right now I'm done scooping the avocado. I'll go ahead to use a fork to mash them together. You can blend it if you have a blender, but I don't have a blender. That is why I'm using a fork to do this. You should do this gradually till it becomes smooth. As you can see, it is getting smoother gradually. I'll keep turning and turning till it becomes very smooth. So guys, I'll go ahead and add olive oil to the mixture. You can add any other oil that you have. I have olive oil at home, that is why I'm using olive oil. So you can go ahead and add any oil of your choice. Then I'm going to turn it again to combine the olive oil with the avocado smoothie. So guys, right now the avocado hair protein mask is ready to be used. So I start by separating my braids and also working in sections so that I'll be sure to get to all strands of the hair and not miss a strand. Moreover, my braids are 3 weeks old right now. I am applying the avocado hair mask on my scalp, on the strands of my hair, and on the ends of my hair as well. After I'm done with each section, I'm going to twist them up to get them out of the way so that I'll be able to work on the other sections. So lovelies, this is basically all I'll be doing to get this whole avocado on my hair. So if you have watched up to this extent and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section if this is what if this is something you would love to try out. If your hair is breaking excessively, then it is time to do a protein hair mask, because protein hair mask strengthens the hair so that it doesn't break off easily. You can do this once in a month so that you don't use too much protein on your hair. So lovelies, I went ahead to apply the whole avocado on the rest of my hair. So right now I'm using the remaining avocado hair mask on my ends, on my edges, all over my head. I'm making sure that the hair mask gets to all over my hair without missing any strand. Guys, if your hair is more longer and fuller than mine, you can use 2 avocado or 1 large avocado, because mine is a small avocado, but it is enough for my hair. So right now my hair is well coated with the avocado hair mask, as you can see. I put my hair into this bun so that I'll be able to use this nylon bag. So this is what I'll be using to cover my hair, and I'll be leaving it for 1 hour or more. You can leave this for 2 hours so that the nutrients in the avocado is going to penetrate into your hair strands. Doing this will generate heat, which will also encourage blood flow to your scalp. So see you guys later. So guys, it is over 1 hour 30 minutes and it's time to take out this nylon bag. Guys, as you can see, my hair has fully absorbed the avocado hair mask, and the avocado changed color from green to brown. Not that brown, but it is no longer greenish. My hair is neat because I washed my hair a day before doing this hair mask. So my hair is not dirty. My hair is not the cause of the browning of the avocado pear. It's just that the heat from the nylon bag and everything made the avocado to turn brown. So guys, this is me showing you all what my hair looks like after everything. So I'll go now and wash it out. After washing my hair, this is what it is looking like. My hair is so moisturized. It feels very moisturized, but I'll go ahead and use my olive oil to add in more moisture. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If this is what you'll be trying out someday, let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Also like this video guys. Subscribe for more hair growth tips, how you will be able to grow out your hair long and also retain length. Subscribe if you want to know all that. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my little knowledge in this my channel, so if you're interested, please go ahead and subscribe.